Jay is a real treasure. It's not a very big town, but it has a lot going on culturally. You know, it's got a lot of what you want, especially if you want to get away from, you know, the Main Street experience. You want to get out and really see the country. There's a lot of availability for places to stay. There are getting to be more eateries. In Upper Jay alone, there's probably 2 of the better ones in the region.
I think Jay is unique because it's a little bit off of the main sort of travel corridor. It's a little bit quieter here. So I am the owner and farmer of Blue Pepper Farm, and we milk our sheep and we make sheep's milk yogurt, which we sell across the state, as well as some of the local grocery stores.
If you're visiting the town of Jay, you cannot miss the covered bridge which sits behind me. And right next to it is our Jay Rapids, which people will sunbathe on the rocks during the summer. So this is a perfect must-see activity in the town of Jay.